Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because we are revealing the new mask. Are you guys ready for this? Ready for this? You guys know Vitamin C Brightening Mask has been my favorite since forever. I've been using this for like 2 years. I always show that on my Snapchat, on my Instagram. I always ask you guys to also tag me in your stories so I can reshare. Some of you guys do that, some of you don't, but it's okay. Today, the reveal is happening. So basically what's happened, let me tell you guys a little story. So the whole last week of November, I was truly ill. You guys know that. I was so damn ill, I couldn't even move from my bed. So there's one thing I still managed to get done. Well, not on time. I'm actually quite late with this. This was supposed to be happening 1 week before today, but it's 1 week delayed, but that's okay. But I still managed to get this done, which is I really wanted to upgrade the packaging of our Vitamin C Booster Brightening Mask, and I managed to do that. Thank God. Now I'm going to show you guys in a minute how it looked like before and what it is like now, but keep in mind that the formula is still the same, everything is the same. What has changed is the aesthetics of the product, just so that it matches the rest of the family, you know. And what has also changed is that now you get 15% more product in the same price. But anyhow, now let's get to the fun part. Let me show you guys the mask. And also, for those of you who watch till the end, there is a giveaway for you guys. So don't forget to take part in that. Let's go. Ta-da! Here it is. Super simple, super chic. Exactly how I like it. It's one of those things that just looks really neat and clean sitting on your shelves, and it's really satisfying when you're done using this. Now let me also show you guys how it looked like before. It was completely different. Here is what it looked like before. And now I am not a fan of products that have too much dark colors or just too bright, because I truly get anxiety if I see too much color in front of me. I don't like it. I like a little bit of that minimalistic type of vibe, and this is exactly that. And also, as you can see, the jar is just a little bit bigger, also a little wider, but a little taller also. And the lid is a bit more heavier and stronger, and it's white, and I love white. I'm sure you already know that. Here is what it was like before. Obviously lesser product. The formula is still the same because the formula is a killer, guys. Okay, we're going to talk about the formula just in a second also, okay? I don't want to bore you guys with the details, but I'm definitely going to be showing you guys a little bit of the ingredients in there just so you have an idea. This mask honestly is such a killer. I'll show you guys like a close-up. So it's like, I don't know if you can see, but this is like a rose gold font. And that's just what I wanted, like really super simple. And I wanted the font to be rose gold because rose gold then matches the pink color of this beautiful mask. And this way it also kind of matches the rest of the family. Like for example, the toner here, like do you see how putting them together kind of looks like they're from the same family? And that is what I wanted for my whole range. I wanted all the masks and the oils and the toners and everything just to match each other, you know. So that is why I really had to upgrade the aesthetics of this mask to make it a bit more Instagrammable, but also to make it match the family so that when it's on your shelves, it looks like it's one big family. Every time I feel like I'm getting a little oily throughout the day, I put on a little bit of this mist. You can use that as a mist. You can also use this as a setting spray. This is a multi-purpose mist. You use that as a toner. It has neroli, aloe, it has all the goodness of orange blossoms also, and it smells so good. It just makes you a happy person every morning, okay? Every morning you put this on your face and you're like, this is what I woke up for. I mean, for me, it works like coffee. Even though it's nothing like coffee, it's very refreshing. It just makes you feel like you're back in spring times, you know? Love it. Coming back to the mask, if your skin is getting a little dull, open pores, saggy pores, it's one thing to have open pores, it's another thing to have saggy pores. Remember that. If your pores are super sagged for ages, then definitely they have become saggy now, which means that they're a bit more not just open, but they're also kind of hanging. And that's when your skin looks really exhausted, you look sleepy all the time, you look dull, and there's like just literally no life on your face. And that is what saggy pores do to you, because they make you look so extra oily also. It's just not a pretty picture. And I have personally always had problems with open pores. My open pores started with the nose, obviously that's where it starts, right? And then it goes all the way to your cheeks. And then at one point I also started having a lot of open pores around like my upper area of the chin. Just so bad. And I'm telling you guys, ever since I've been using this toner religiously, this is now my second bottle. I use it all the time. It's super hydrating, but at the same time it keeps that oil control, and it also keeps those pores really tight. So that really works so well, especially when you use this vitamin C mask like once or twice a week. I use this religiously now. It's been, I think, more than 2 years I've been using this, and this is the only mask that goes on my face. Other than sometimes like when I feel like doing something a little different, I do put sheet mask on here and there, just random sheet mask wherever I find any. I just put it on my face just to satisfy myself. But religiously, this is the only thing that actually goes on my face. Now what it has and the benefits, again, I don't want to bore you guys, but I'm going to definitely talk a little bit about it just so you guys know a little bit about it. You know, it's important that you know the ingredients. So first of all, the pink, obviously, as you can see, it's pink clay, which is the Australian clay, as well as we have French clay in there. And these clays are super hydrating. Now, I know that when you think of clays, you're used to those green clays, the brown clays, and all of those clays. They are super drying for your skin, even though you see instant results, but they are in the long term not that good like the pink clays are. The pink clays actually are a bit more subtle and softer on your skin. They have a better, softer texture also, and they also are really good if you have acne, oily skin, or even super sensitive skin. And it's also safe to be used for people who have eczema on their skin. And obviously it also makes up for this pretty pink color, you know. So if you open the mask, you will see a really fine texture. I don't want to spill anything out here, but yes, as you can see, it's pretty pink, but it's a very fine texture, okay? It's super soft, grinded to the core, but also what it has now is chamomile. Now, you guys know I'm a fan of chamomile. I'm having my chamomile teas all the time. You guys know, if you're my Instagram family, you know I am a fan of chamomile teas. Generally, chamomile is very soothing and calming. And especially if you're somebody like me who tends to get like allergic reactions, go ahead, use this product, because the chamomile in there really helps to soothe and calm down your skin, especially if you have any rashes or irritation going on. I remember there was one client, she told me that she just bleached her face and now she doesn't know what to do because she was having those rashes. And I literally told her, just use this with some water. Just mix it with some water, apply it on your face, let it heal your skin. Let it heal your skin. Just give it 2-3 days and you'll be fine. And that's exactly what happened. So I'm really happy that it helps me. It helps all my clients. I love it, okay? I just love getting great feedback from you guys. It means so much to me, honestly. Also, talking a little bit more about this, it also has strawberry extracts in there and also lots of vitamin C in there, which obviously you all know vitamin C helps to brighten your face. If you have like uneven skin tone, it helps even it out. It also reduces fine lines. Now, I'm not gonna say it removes fine lines because I think that would be wrong marketing and I don't want to do that. So it does reduce fine lines. It gives you like a little bit of that glowy, plumpy, immediate effect that you're going to see even in your first application. You're definitely going to see a difference. But the more regular you start to use this one, you're going to see massive difference because your skin is going to stay hydrated. If you have really dark freckles like I did, I have like some areas of my skin where I have freckles, but they're in the family, so I don't really complain about them too much. I kind of find them cute sometimes, but they were super dark and now they're quite light. Like even when I apply one layer of foundation, they're easily covered. But before this, like let's say 2 years ago, it was even worse because I had to layer a lot of foundation in order to cover those freckles up. So it was not a pretty picture. I mean, usually you would think that I would have looked better when I was a lot younger, but it's actually the other way around. Now I think the way my skin looks and everything, I couldn't be more happier than this. Honestly, I am now so much more confident that I can be here without makeup. I would be okay with that. I can go out without makeup, just have a good skincare routine, SPF, and I'll be fine to even go out. It's only now that you guys have also started to see me without makeup sometimes here and there randomly on Instagram. I would have never done that before. Never. Because I was like, oh my god, no, I have open pores, my freckles are too dark, all of those things, you know. But with time, as I built like this really good skincare routine, I also use these great ingredients on my face all the time. And by the way, if you want to know how to use this mask, just take 1 spoon of the mask, mix it with like 1 spoon of water, maybe milk. I actually like milk on the skin. I like the idea. It doesn't do anything wrong. Don't worry. Greek yogurt, 100%. honey. Yes, so these are basically the only 4 things that I would ever even touch to apply on my skin. Otherwise, nothing else is going on my skin. I will not be suggesting you here to apply gram flour on your skin and God knows what else. I'm sorry, I don't do that. If anything you want to apply from the kitchen on your skin, this is your rule. Water, milk, honey, Greek yogurt. Anything else should not even dare to touch your skin. Oh no, it's not happening in our world. You can also, by the way, just mix this with water. Simple, plain, okay? Just to get the benefits of this. But if you mix that with Greek yogurt, I love how calming and soothing and so cold it feels to your skin. It really lifts your skin up. You're gonna feel such a difference even in the first application. You're gonna love it. Mix it up a little bit, make like a thick little paste and apply, and a little goes a long way. This jar is supposed to last you way more than 4 months, for sure. I mean, mine lasts me for more than 6 months actually, because I'm super particular of how much I use. I use very little. I apply it because I know I'm constantly always applying it, like every week, twice a week at least. So I think I'm really good at saving up the products like that. I don't apply them very generously. I'm really good at those things. But anyway, I'm Asian, you know. Now here is the fun part. I also want to show you guys like a little close-up of this one. A few pictures here and there will help too. But guys, let's talk about the giveaway. I am giving away not 1, actually 2 of our Vitamin C Brightening Mask. I'm so excited for this. I've never done this before. 2 products, 2 giveaways at the same time. I have never done this before. I've done quite a lot of giveaways before, especially on Instagram, on my Facebook group and everywhere else. But 2 at the same time, it's never happened. But anyway, here is your chance to win 1 for free. All you have to do to enter, make sure you subscribe to this channel, by the way. Let's confuse all the people who haven't watched the video till the end. Let's confuse them all. All you do, write your name in the comment below. Tell me how long it's been you have been following me and tell me which city you're from. So these are just the 3 things you have to do. Subscribe to the channel, tell me your name and tell me your city and how long have you been following me for. I will be choosing 2 random winners from the comment section under this video, okay, under this video. So make sure you comment away on the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Tell me your name, your city, how long you have been following me for, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on Instagram, Snapchat, wherever it is, okay? Tell me how long you've been with me, okay? I want to know you. I want to get to know you a lot more. So I need to know how long you've been here, okay? It makes it easy for me to know you guys, okay? And I'm going to choose 2 winners randomly in the comment section and I'm going to announce it everywhere so you won't miss it, okay? There's no chance you'll miss it because I usually announce on Instagram, on Snapchat, on Facebook stories, on my WhatsApp even. I announce everywhere, okay? So you won't miss it. Guys, I'm super excited for this. If you want to try it, you can also buy these. You can just go to ishacosmetics.co.uk and you can get these masks from there, the upgraded versions, which is 15% more product, obviously in the same price, and a better version that looks a bit more classy, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching this. Thank you also for being a part of my journey so far. I cannot wait to choose the winners and for all of you to try the mask also. I definitely want everybody to try it out. You're not going to regret it. You're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take part in the giveaway. Tag all your friends so they can take part in it too. And until my next video, guys, take care of yourself. Take care of your well-being because that's very important. Bye.